Okay, we're going to carry out this first reaction in the fume hood. So there's the fume hood there. As you can see, there's the sash height that's movable up and down. You want to keep that at least that height or lower, so that you can make sure that there's a good flow of air from the outside through the inside of the cabinet. So here I'm just measuring out the nitric acid for your prac, your face-to-face prac. You may have an automatic dispenser. I just used a measuring cylinder here. It doesn't have to be all that accurate, but it's got to be approximately 15 mils or so. So there we go. I've measured that out. I've got my copper to the left there that I've put into the beaker. And now I'm going to add the nitric acid to the copper. So just carefully pour this in. The reaction's fairly quick. You'll see a quick color change here. So it's clearly started. To get things to react, they have to bump into one another, so it's always good to give things a bit of a stir or a swirl just to get things reacting, and you can see that pretty much straight away. As I said before, we've got that green colour being produced there. I pulled the sash down a little bit. That's a habit of mine. I always like to keep nice and safe. However, I then realised, of course, I'm recording this, so that was obscuring the view a little bit. So there you can see the start of the accumulation of the nitrogen dioxide there, that brown gas. And the watch glass is on top more or less just to trap it in there so that we've got a clearer picture of it. Otherwise, of course, it would be drawn out through the fume hood there. And you can see it starting to move away there by the action of the fume hood as I remove the watch glass. Okay, a little while later, you can see there very clearly we've got a much darker blue solution there, and obviously a lot more nitrogen dioxide, and then getting towards at the end of the reaction there, all the copper's gone, it's disappeared, there's no NO2 being produced anymore. I just double checked that that was the case. There's no copper left in the bottom of the beaker.